Hey guys, my name's Aaron Alviar, and I'm the owner of All Lit Up LED Neon. 2012, I started in the sign business, and I started to get more people asking me for, custom LED neon signs, and it was so hard to fit it into our work's busy schedule. I thought, maybe I could do it on the side. It's a good way to make a little side money and possibly, start my own business. I've always wanted something to call my own. And so I started looking for smaller, benchtop machines. Did a little more digging, and I stumbled upon MakerMade. The fact that it can cut 4x8, that was the main thing for me. Because, with the smaller ones, you have to, clamp your stuff, move it, clamp it again. I didn't want to deal with any of that. I like the fact that it's actually screwed to the wasteboard. I'm a fabricator by day, and then I come home and I do the designing, so that part for me is fun, doing the designing aspect and being able to actually control how it's going to look in the end. And with this machine, you're able to do all of that. It's awesome. It's been a great little entry machine.